Hi everyone. Today we will solve one problem in Python, and the problem is that there is two variable a and b. Like the value of a is 3, and the value of b is equal to 4. We need to swap two variables. Like a will be 4 and b will be 3. Let's see what will be the approach. Then what we can do to solve this problem, we need to take like a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4. Then what we can do, like we will take one extra variable that is called sum, and in sum we will initialize a plus b. Now what we can do, a is equal to sum minus, if you are taking minus of sum minus a, then what will be happen, sum minus a is equal to, it will give b, and the value of b will assign into a, and after that b is equal to sum minus b, whatever the value will be, it will assign into b. Now we can do one thing, we can print a and b, it will give us the result of swap. Let's see how we can code it in a real life. Okay, first we need to open the code editor. Now a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3. Now what we can do, sum is equal to a plus b. Now if we are like now a become a is equal to sum minus a, and b equals to sum minus b. Now we can print, and now you can see a equals to 3 and b equals to 5, it will give us. Okay, and there is one more approach that we can do. What we can do in Python, there is one more approach that you can see. One more approach is that, like a comma b is equal to 5 3, right? Then what we can do, b comma a is equal to b equals to 3. Now if you are printing, it will also, okay, we have not closed the parenthesis, that's why it gave us error. Now you can see, like a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. This will only apply in Python, but if you want to do this thing in JavaScript or other language, it will work fine on there. I hope you have understood what is our approach, and I if you have any doubt, you can ask us in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much.